Isabella here, and I'm having a snack attack. Luckily for me, I know a great recipe for herb, popcorn, and pretzel mix. I always like to double check my recipe, even if it seems simple, because if one ingredient is off, it can mess up the whole thing. Okay, here's what we'll need. 2 bags of 94% fat-free popped popcorn. 5 cups of unsalted pretzel twist. Now let's toss our pretzels and popcorn together. 1 tablespoon of canola oil. 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. Now let's mix our herbs, spices, and canola oil together. And now let's toss all of it together. If you don't have a container with a lid, you can always mix it with a big spoon. Now it's time to enjoy a healthy and tasty way to get your snack on.